Welcome back, everybody. Well, we're going to do a little bit more Coleman oven cooking with our Coleman stove here, keeping with the theme of meals and desserts that are relatively quick. No more than say about 15 minutes or so. Well, today we're going to put some brats in with some sauerkraut inside of a cook bag, and put that like on a cookie sheet, and we're going to cook them up, and everything probably won't take much more than say 10-15 minutes, and then you can put them on a bun or eat them just like that, or however you like to eat something like that. Anyway, let's get cooking here in a minute. Okay, we're lit. Made ourselves a little cook bag of brats and sauerkraut, and we're going to put it on in like this. And we'll let that temperature come up. Still just a little bit of wind, but not too bad. Not too bad. And like I said, in keeping with the theme of 15-minute cooks for like dessert or a meal, that's what we're going to do here. And give this stuff about 15 minutes. And then, like I say, you can put it on a bun or eat it just the way it is. You can do mashed potatoes, put a gravy or something with it, whatever. And over the years, we've cooked meals that required a ton of prep, and then other times we've done like this, a little bit faster type of meal. Yeah, thermostat is coming up already. You see my little buddy, the dove over there. She, whatever. Just like literally like follows me around, and over there on the bird tube. What's up, buddy? Yeah. All right. Let's take a look. Oh yeah, coming up on about 200 degrees, and it's only been like, I don't know, 3 or 4 minutes. This is the Kinet Cam solar birdhouse. Nobody's moved in yet, so we'll have to hope somebody will come on in here. It's one with the camera inside the top of the birdhouse. All right, let's take a look. 250. Oh yeah, smells good. Last time we did the peanut butter cookies, then we did the dump cake. I probably try to do stuff like this about every couple weeks. I'm not sure what we'll do next, but we're trying to keep in that theme of, say, something that takes not much more than, say, 15 minutes. Those peanut butter cookies, oh my goodness. The aroma. 300 degrees. All right, cooking channels. There you go. Here's your challenge. Take one of these recipes that you see here in the camp oven and make it your own. Do it your own way. And shout me out and say, here is your answer to the Coleman oven, but done by the pro chef. Love to see it, man. Anyway, like I said, this really doesn't need to be cooked all the way through or anything like that. This is more of a warming up action, and I figure about 15 minutes, all that sauerkraut juice and stuff will get absorbed by those brats, and then we'll take them in, and I'm gonna put mine on some buns, and quite often I'll have a can of chili or something like that, and put over it. Sometimes I put mustard and ketchup. I know, yuck, but however you do it, just another quick meal showing you the versatility of the Coleman stove, Coleman oven. Pretty good little system. Let's take a look inside here real quick. Make sure. Oh yeah, she's hot in there. About 350 degrees right now. All right, all the leaves are pretty much out. It is around 72, 73 Fahrenheit. But the rest of from here on out, it's going to be in above 80 and even flirt with 90 near the end of the week. Beautiful day. But then you know what? Every day's beautiful when you're retired, right? You know what? We're flirting with 400 degrees. Right at 400 degrees. Yep. Sure is. Smells great. Alright, let's make sure that nothing's boiling over, but it is hot up in there. Pretty much anything you want to cook be cooking up in there. Alright, we are just above 400 degrees. I think the hotter these days get, the less wind you have, and this Coleman oven will definitely reach those temperatures. You need to do some serious cooking if you're so inclined to do so. Okay, we got about 2 minutes left on our cook, and then we'll turn the stove off and open up the oven door and let it cool down just a little bit. Then we'll take our brats and sauerkraut out and take it on in the house and get some buns and have ourselves a quick camp meal. Alright, I believe we can turn this thing off now. And it's just like that. Alright, let this cool down for a minute. And we'll take it on out. Yeah, we'll let everything cool down and then we'll come back out and clean it up. But there's our food pack and we'll take her in now. Alright, there's our brats and sauerkraut. And I'm going to put mine on some buns and throw a little chili over top of it. There we go. Alright, let's eat. Alright, everybody take care.